So we got the Chicago off-white one. We got the Euro exclusive off-white Jordan 1. Let's take it back to the roots. College days with the UNC. What's up guys, Fresco BK here, live again at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. Please feel free to pull up. So, as you guys know, we love and appreciate that you like and share all of our videos on Facebook, on YouTube, variety of different platforms that we have them on. But today, we are gonna take a special look at, well, it's kind of a dead giveaway if you're paying attention. We've got the Chicago Off-White Air Jordan 1 to my right. We've got the Euro exclusive Air Jordan 1 to my left. But we are gonna unbox the UNC Air Jordan 1 Off-White, which recently released. But of course, we got those here at Stadium Goods. So please feel free to pull up. But box top we got right here. Another interesting detail about the box, which I'm sure you guys already know, but we've got the window. So you guys are gonna see the variety of similarities throughout each of these styles. And it's kind of like an abstract version of the details of the Air Jordan 1, just broken down with Virgil and the off-white take on it. So if you guys look at the toe box area, you'll see it's featured with the mesh overlay. And we've got the leather with the embroidered white stitching right there on the front toe box. Of course, hang tag, excuse me, not hang tag, zip tie. Midsole right there features the Air. And this is a UNC, which is famous for Michael Jordan, attending the University of North Carolina. So it's very true and dear to him. So of course, Virgil's spin on it, gotta be dope. We've got the blue swoosh here with the orange hit on the outer panel. Classic Air Jordan 1 logo right there. We've got the tongue area here. You guys can see the UNC blue stitching right there. We've got the Nike Air hit right there also on the tongue. And as you guys know, the off-white Air Jordan 1s come with a variety of laces in most styles. So these come with the white pair that's on right there. They also come with an orange pair, and they also come with another blue pair. So these only come with 3 sets of laces, white, blue, and orange. Inner panel here, of course, you know, famous on all off-white styles, period. So it's the production date of the original shoe. So the Air Jordan 1 was produced in 1985. And then we have the off-white for Nike, Air Jordan 1, Beaverton, Oregon, USA. And one of our last videos was about the Converse off-white shoe that recently released, and you guys should go check that one out. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. I kind of am leaning more towards the Euro exclusive, maybe because I like a clean white shoe. Chicago's are also really dope, but the UNCs are definitely showing face right here at Stadium, and we have them in a variety of sizes. Please feel free to visit our website, stadiumgoods.com. If you have any questions or inquiries about anything, please download the new Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and Android. Make sure you like and share all of our videos on a variety of platforms, and follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. I am Fresco BK, and salud.